Hello guys, if your Philips Sonicare water flosser suddenly stops spraying water and nothing seems to come out during use, it can feel frustrating, especially when everything seemed completely fine before. Sometimes the Philips Sonicare water flosser powers on, but no water flows through the tip, while other times the pressure feels weak and suddenly disappears. A situation like this can happen because of blocked nozzles, low water levels, trapped air, or temporary flow interruptions that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are few simple things worth checking because many Philips Sonicare water flosser problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a Philips Sonicare water flosser when water is not coming out. Try these. Step 1. Fill the reservoir on the Philips Sonicare water flosser and confirm enough water is available. Step 2. Check the nozzle attached to the Philips Sonicare water flosser. If water flow suddenly stops. Step 3. Clean the tip of the Philips Sonicare water flosser carefully if buildup may be blocking flow. Step 4. Prime the Philips Sonicare water flosser briefly to help move trapped air through the system. Step 5. Restart the Philips Sonicare water flosser and test pressure settings again carefully. Step 6. Recheck the Philips Sonicare water flosser and confirm water sprays normally again.